Alright. Alright. All my snack is there. Alright. Let's watch some television. Let's rewind that and wait. Great. I know what to do. Alright, let's create a time machine. Okay, let's use this and that in the laundry machine. Don't know why it's heavy. Okay, and now to get to work. Yeah, there. Okay, it's ready. Now let's go back to the future. Or should I say past? Okay. Alright, good. Oh yes, and the milk is safe. Help, we have an emergency at the playground. Come on, hurry. What? Come with us. Come. Wow. Oh. Do you see? Oh, it hurts. Oh. Yeah, that's the problem. Oh, it's time for me to start the past. Okay. Oh, Okay, now let's fix that. In there. Okay. Oh, yay, let's have some fun. Okay, now for the slide. Alright, let's have some. Whoa! Ouch! Oh, ouch! It hurts. Oh no! Oh, shoot! I gotta go. Alright, let's see that. Alright, just remove the slide. And there, problem solved. Yeah, let's have some fun. What? Where the slide go? Oh, yay. Wanna play, Lumpy? Yes. Alright, now let's see. Come on, I can't. Ouch. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. I better fix that. Come on. And there. That should do. Yes. Hey, let's have some fun. Alright. Do you want to come, Lumpy? Oh, yes, I do. Come on. And... why? Oh, no, I cannot breathe. I forgot. Yay, let's have some fun. Oh, yay. Come on, you want to come, Lumpy? Yes, and uh-oh. Not this again. I got you, Cuddles. Thank God. Wait, what? Oh. Airplane. Oh, no. Ow. No. Thank God. I survived. Wait, No. Why? I am trapped. Help me. Hey, look over there. Ouch! Okay. Alright, taking extra measures. Alright, my 2 acorns. Now plant one there. Plant one there. And good. Oh, an ant. Delicious. Okay. Delicious. Okay, now let's see. Okay, and there. What? Ay. Okay. All right. That is done. All right. Now there will be no playground. Yay! Let's go. Oh, great. Now what will we do? Oh, you guys, look! Come here. Oh yes, this should be fun. All right. You ready to have some fun? Yes, yes. All right. Swing even more. Oh, I know. Yay. All right, now let's swing. Yay. Yay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh, no. This is going too faster. Why? Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh. Oh, no, no. My hands, ouch. My God. Uh-oh, gotta run. Oh, thank God. Phew. Oh, the milk. I do. Wait, what? Ouch! All right, and I'm back. Oh, hurry! We have a situation. Come on! Oh, come on!